Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to reset your Reddit password. So before you do anything, go ahead to your app, so Google Play, and from here what I'm going to do, I'm going to just start looking for Reddit right here. And what I'm going to just do, I'm going to just follow along and double check if the Reddit app needs to be updated. All right, and after you updated the app, just go ahead and open up the Reddit app. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on my avatar icon at the top right, and from there what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go ahead and click the last option, which is the settings gear. All right, and it's gonna open up a new window for me. Right, you're gonna see right here your account or account settings. Just click on it, and basically you're gonna see right here your password and notification and all that. Click change password and just continue to change password, and here it says check your email to to confirm that you want to create your own password. So from here I'm gonna just go ahead and open up my new window, and I'm gonna just see right here the message that came along from the Reddit app. And basically just go ahead right here and click the reset right here and just enter your new password from here. All right, and after you enter your new password, if you link your account with your Google or Apple or something like that, you will need to create a password. But if you have already account on Reddit and you want to change the password, you're gonna enter your first current password, and secondly you're gonna enter your new password. All right, so basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.